Have you ever wondered why electric vehicles only need one gear while gasoline cars use multiple gears? In this video, I want to answer that question and compare the gearbox systems in electric and gasoline cars. Let's begin with gasoline cars and why they need a gearbox. In gas cars, the engine's torque isn't evenly spread across its speed range. If you look at the chart, you'll see that the engine produces its most torque only in a small speed range. At low speeds, the engine doesn't produce enough torque to move the car well, and at higher speeds, the engine car over-rev and become less efficient. To solve this, gasoline cars use multi-speed gearboxes to keep the engine running in its best range. This helps the engine provide enough torque at low speeds and stay efficient at higher speeds. Another reason gas cars need a gearbox is for reverse movement. The reverse gear changes the engine's force direction, allowing the car to move backward. Without this gear shift, gas cars couldn't reverse. Now let's look at electric vehicles. EV motors work very differently. Unlike gas engines, electric motors deliver maximum torque almost instantly, starting from 0 RPM. This means an EV can produce full power as soon as you press the accelerator. As you can see in the chart, electric motors keep their torque high across a wide speed range, making them more efficient. They don't need to build up torque slowly like gas engines do. The motor works efficiently from a stop all the way to high speeds. Another important point is that electric vehicles like the Tesla Model S Plaid can reach very high maximum RPMs. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid has a motor capable of reaching 20,000 RPM, while most gasoline engines top out around 7,000 RPM. This high RPM allows EVs to maintain a strong performance across a wide range of speeds without needing to shift gears. That's why EVs can accelerate so quickly. They don't have to wait for the engine to build up the torque. Based on how electric motors work, EVs don't need many gears like gas cars. Instead, they use a single speed gearbox or a single reduction gear. Because the electric motors provide a lot of torque across different speeds, so one gear is enough for all driving situations, whether it's starting from a stop, driving on the highway, or going uphill. But you might wonder, how do EVs go in reverse if they only have one gear? The simple answer is that electric motors can spin in both directions. When you wanna go in reverse, the motor changes its speed direction by reversing the flow of electricity. The wheels then move backward without needing a separate reverse gear like gas cars. This ability to reverse the motor's direction is one of the best things about EV technology. It's simpler, faster, and doesn't need mechanical shifting. This makes driving an EV smoother and more responsive when switching between forward and reverse. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.